Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a slime supplies kit review, and this is a 53 pack and includes 36 jars of little glitter, which are these, and these are glitter nail kits. So right here we have 18 in this one, and then 18 on this other one. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. These are regular size hexies. This is tinsels, fine glitters, and then in the other package has snowflakes here. These are hearts, iridescent. They're all iridescent, except for the silver and the gold hollow. And then stars. These are nail art decorations as well. And the next thing is a pack of color slime foam balls, which is this. And as you can see, the size of my hand, I have a small hand, so it's a pretty big size baggie of foam balls. And then there's 2 packs of fishbowl beads, multicolors, and then the other one is clear. Here comes the multicolor ones, and this is the clear ones, and they have like a flat bottom. That's all. Okay, the next thing in here is 2 pack of fruit slices Fimos, and this one is in fruits. Whatever is left over, I could use them as nail decorations too. And this is a little small baggie, as you can see. And then the next one is cake, cupcakes, lollipops, sweets. This one has sweets, not lollipops, but popsicles. I think that's what I had seen, popsicle. And the next thing is 10-piece clear slime containers, and they come with their lids. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of them here. And these remind me of those little sauces containers that you can find them at the Dollar Tree, or that you get your foods with. And here are the lids. There are 10 each. And there is 2 mixing spoons, and these are it. Not spoons, but mixing tools. And they have a round edge here to mix it up good. And now we're gonna try out a slime to see how it works. So let me move everything out of the way first. We're gonna get 1 container. Shorty, what kind? Okay, Shorty, what kind of glitter? What kind of slime are you gonna do?
I think I wanna do foam.
Foam? What's foam?
These.
You meant foam.
Foam.
Why is it called foam? Then why you calling it? Okay, this jar, this little container here is like a thick hard plastic. It's not flimsy, so your slime will not leak out. Like I've had some leak out because Shorty doesn't close it right. And we're gonna use Elmer's clear glue. Okay, so how much glue we're not gonna put a lot. We're gonna put like halfway because of the add-ons. She's using this Equate multi-purpose solution for contacts, eye contacts. You can find that at your local Walmart. Okay, we're not putting too much glue because we're adding add-ons. We're adding add-ons. Sorry guys. What I was gonna say, something. Oh, that for all of these decorations to show up in your slime, it's highly recommended to use clear glue, because with regular white glue you're not gonna see it that much, right? So it's better clear glue. And when you're mixing it up,
well, if you do these, you can see it.
Oh, you can see that with white glue? Okay, she said you can see the foam beads with white glue, but the other things I don't think so.
This and that.
Yeah, okay, go. What you're gonna add?
So,
oh yeah, you said you wanted to add these foam balls. Okay. How much do I put? If they don't fall off the spoon. Oh. We got the fan on, that's why. Okay, let me just pour it out like this. How much? That's it or more?
That's it.
Okay.
Now you need to mix it.
Now she's gonna mix it up. Don't you gotta add your contact solution to mix it up?
When like
You're
this
off
is
camera.
oh.
I'll hold it for you, go. And as you can see, the beads are not bleeding. Like, pick some up so we can see. Let me zoom in. The beads are not bleeding, so they do not bleed. Okay.
Okay.
What else are you gonna? She's gonna add some contact solution. I don't know. You should add everything before you add your contact solution.
Yeah, let's add glitter.
Okay, which glitter you want to add? Fine, tinsel, regular, or shapes?
I want to add this.
Fine. Okay. Close it down so I can open this right quick. And this is how they come, these little jars.
Don't you have these?
Yeah, for nail art. I don't know the measurements of these little jars, so it doesn't say here. But they're not packed all the way to the top either way. I'll show you. They're like halfway filled. You can see. Okay. That's it. She added her glitter. And put the glitter back.
Looks like a party. Balloons.
Okay, now you're gonna add contact solution. Go. We don't do measurement. Well, she doesn't do measurements. She just eyeballs it. There's no right or wrong measurement, I think. Just don't add a lot at once. Go little by little. Still not slimy yet, so go.
Let me see.
Okay, she's gonna add a little bit of baking soda. I don't know why. It's her creation, so. So basically, she just adds little by little of baking soda and contact solution until she gets that slime consistency that she wants. And these were the two products that help activate the slime. And she loved how it came out, that she did even more slimes with her little cousins. I will show you pictures at the end. So if you guys are interested in this slime supplies kit, the link will be down below. Bye.